Someone said I should make a video on how to, help a child to learn how to chew. So I'm going to tell you, the things you are going to be doing to help that child learn how to chew. One thing about special needs child is they find it difficult. Some of them find it difficult to chew and to swallow. So because of, the jaw, the muscle, you understand, the muscle is weak, you understand. But they really need, therapy. You need therapy, by you on your own. You do it by massaging the jaw. You massage the jaw, you massage it. Make sure you are always massaging the jaw. It's also therapy. You massage the jaw, you are helping the child now to learn how to chew. When you massage the jaw, you understand, then you can now introduce this child to, chewable food that are very soft, like banana, like avocado pear, like carrots, like cooked potato. Then we have egg. You understand? If it is fried, if it is boiled, no problem. Just all as a soft chewable food. You understand? You introduce your child to eat. You understand? When you start introducing your child to eat all this kind of thing I mentioned here, then how will you do it? Start putting it in their mouth. You understand? When you put it in their mouth, make sure you dip it, where the teeth is. Maybe you want the child to use the left or the right, any place you want, just dip it there. Let the food be there. The child will be, wondering what is there. One way or the other, the child will be, trying to do something about it. You understand? So this is another way you can help your child. So after you might have been doing this one, then you now introduce your child to, all chewable food. All chewable food, you understand? But when you are introducing your child to this chewable food, you have to do, some some practice for your child, for you to learn. Children learn when they see. Children learn when they see. There are some things that I did not even teach Oyin, but when she see me do it, you understand? Like when she blow food, when I give her food, she blow food. That is what I always do for her. Whenever I want to feed her, I would like to blow the food before giving to her. So she was seeing what I was doing and she learned how to do that one. You understand? So one thing about children that they learn when they see. So what are you supposed to be doing? You will sit your child in a normal way where a child is supposed to sit whenever the child wants to eat. When you sit your child, well, make sure the head is straight. Then you bring out your child food, place the food in front of your child. Then make sure you sit in front of your child. Then when you carry the food, put it in your own mouth, chew it. Let the child look at you the way you are putting the food in your mouth. Chew the food and no. So as you are chewing the food, the child is looking at you. Then carry the food and put in the child's mouth. As I look at even the child is not eating, keep on doing it. So whenever you want to give the child, just you as a mother, show the food. Be keeping your mouth like you understand? The child is watching you. The child now, you are telling the child that what you are putting in his mouth or her mouth is for him or her to chew. You understand? So by doing that, the child is going to learn how to chew. Another thing again you will do is you can look for this toy, all these those toys that the children normally use, that they always use when they want to start growing teeth, when they start having a toy that they can start biting. A toy that they can start biting. You can make use of that toy also. That toy will also help. You understand? So all these things I listed here will help your child to learn how to chew. Because I remember when my child was not chewing, I was bothered. When them was finding it difficult to swallow. She liked to drink liquid tea more than swallowing all this thing. But as time goes on, she started, and there was this massage I was teaching her there. You understand? There was this, I like touching, just rubbing her hand on the neck. You understand? So gradually Oyin started swallowing. But what I do that earlier time was, when I want to feed her, I will have to chew it first. You understand? When I chew the food, I will put it inside her mouth. Then later on, I saw that this thing I'm doing is not hygienic. Then I went to the market. I got a plate that looked like a mortar. It has a pistol. When I want to give her food, I will have to bring out that food and put inside that this, and I will mash it. After mashing it, I will bring it out and I'll start feeding her. You understand, like that. So when I want to teach her how to sew, so after doing that, then I thought about, let me hold on, and I started, introducing the food, you understand, gradually, by not mashing the food. Then when I want to give her, I will make sure I put it in my mouth and I will chew it. Yum, 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 yum. I will chew it, and she was looking at what I was doing. That is how I started teaching Oyin how to chew. That was how Oyin know how to chew. That was what I taught her. That was it. That is how Oyin learned how to chew. As you see her now, she can chew anything chewable, anything chewable. Even as strong as sugarcane, Oyin can chew it now. So that is how you will help your child to chew. This video is getting longer, but try, you understand, to practice this on your child that have not started chewing. You will see that your child will learn how to chew. So guys, if you have any question you want to ask me, please drop it on the comment section. If I did not answer you directly, maybe I can make it on video so that it will benefit other people out there. So please share this video, like and comment on this video. So guys, see you guys in our next video. Bye.